Hello, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do area model. So you're going to do the problem 5,380. Sorry, I was thinking 800. And then you'll have 3. So, and you'll times that by 5. Especially if you're just learning at 5s, I personally think are an easy thing. So we're first going to draw a rectangle, pretty much as long as you want. It needs to be like at least that big. Now you're going to do the 3 right here. So this 3 is going to be the smallest column because it's in the 1s place. So you're going to give it the smallest column. And a trick that you can have is you just draw it like right at the end of the number, not exactly right at the end, especially if it multiplies to a bigger number. And then you're going to have 80, so you're going to do 80 right here. And then we're going to do 300. And then draw the line at the end of the number. And then you'll have this. So this will be the 5,000 spot. Because it's the biggest. So it's smallest to biggest. Just as if that was your instructions for some sort of a math problem. So you're going to be multiplying that. And so you see the 5 right here. And that's what you're multiplying by. That's a horrible 5. But you're going to put that right here. So it's kind of like a reminder, I guess. But now you're going to do 3 times 5, which is pretty easy. It's 15. And then we'll have 80 times 5, which it's super hard for me and a lot of other people actually, to multiply with like multiple zeros under it, meaning like place value holders, like such as 80. So my friend taught me that you bring this 0 down, because no matter what, it's going to stay at 0. It's just, once again, a place value holder. So you bring that down, and then you have 8. So I like to just think of that as 8. So you would multiply 5 times 8 just because it's a little bit easier. And that would be 40. And you would think just drawing the 4 right here, oh, that makes 40. And it does, but you're technically adding 40 on to the number. So you would do, it's pretty much just you're putting down 40 in front of the 0 that you took down. So now we're going to drop 2 zeros down because the more place value holders that are empty makes it more confusing, especially when they're full. So you're going to do 2 zeros, really bad zeros, but they will work. And then we'll have, okay, well, it gets the idea. But 3 times 5 is 15. So once again, you're just putting down 15. Because you would be like erasing the zeros. No, that's not how you would do it. You would put the 15 in front of it, and you would have 1,500. Now you're gonna take these 3 zeros down, and then you're gonna do 5 times 5. So that would be 25. So you would have 25,000, because this would be the thousands place. This would be the 10,000s place. So now what we need to do is we need to add all this up. So, and that will be our answer for this problem. So we're gonna do 25,000. You'll always do the bigger number first. 1,000. And then you're going to do 1,500. So 1,500. And make sure they're aligned so you never get confused. Like, I've messed up so many times from getting confused from that. So make sure you're aligning them. Now you're going to take 400. You're going to put it right here. Then, and there's no commas in that. And then you're going to do 15. Plus. So you're going to have that. So here's the thing that I have noticed. If this is not diagonal, and of course it's not a perfect diagonal line, it's kind of bumpy because, their numbers are not completely straight. So you're going to have, so they should be in a diagonal line, losing a place value because every time, because this doesn't have a 20, this doesn't have a 10,000. This doesn't, and then this doesn't have a 1,000, this doesn't have 100. So then you're going to add all this up. So I'm just going to move this really quick. So you're going to have, don't worry about those letters on the side. This would be 5, because 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 would be 5. And then you'd have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 would be 1. Then you would have 0 plus 5 plus 4 would be 9. You would have 5 plus 1, and I'm just thinking of it as 5 plus 1. Of course, it's like 5,000 plus 1 and that kind of thing. Then you'll just have 20,000 plus 0, so 2 right there. And so your answer is 26,915. So you have 26,000. So 26,915. 915. All right, so that would be our answer. So we just did area model, and we did 5,383 times 5, and we got 26,915. Alrighty, thank you for watching.